Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Price was all over the place today, but ultimately closed quite a bit higher than where it was not that long ago. I mean, when you consider a couple days ago, price was down here flirting between $1.30 and $1.35, and now it's up here up above $1.60. Yeah, the price has definitely made some good solid progress, but it's been a pretty volatile ride so far. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on will be right here at the $1.54 mark. You can see that's basically where the bleeding stopped today. The bears did press downwards, and then that's essentially where the bulls said, all right, you've pressed down long enough, we're going to end that right there. So $1.55, that near-term level of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And really the easiest way to kind of gauge, if assuming you care about more so the grand scheme of things perspective, is as long as the price stays above that purple line as it moves upwards, hence moving average, as it moves forward, if the price is above it, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. So that's just a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the overall price movement over the past couple of days. Is just stay above the purple line and everything's perfectly fine as far as the bulls are concerned. Now, if you're a day trader and you bought up here and you wanted to sell within 2 minutes after buying, then yeah, you couldn't care less about the purple line. So again, purple line is definitely geared towards those that care about more so a bigger picture perspective on things. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as kind of the key overall one right now, I'm going to go ahead and call that right up there at $1.80. I realize the price went up above it, but a couple times the price didn't quite hit it. So just trying to find kind of a common ground there and middle ground, and I'm going to call that $1.80. If you want to call it something a little bit different, that's fine. But point here being right up around this area of the chart is where the sellers currently seem to be hanging out. So yeah, the price is trending upwards. It's a very volatile trend, but it is still an uptrend nonetheless. As long as the price keeps on building higher bases, then the long-term uptrend will continue to get that much stronger and bring in that many more eyeballs and traders. So we'll see what happens with it. 2 days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.